Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add audio to your video in Canva. First of all, open a video project and just hit to this upload section. Then here we need to select audio, then click on upload files, and now it's time to select that audio file which we want to add into our Canva video. So this is my audio. I'll just double click on it, and now the audio is uploading on Canva. And once your uploading is done, you can just drag this clip and put wherever you want. I want to put it here, and yeah, here you can see we have added the audio. Now if you want to crop this audio clip, you can just go to edge of the clip and just hold your left click and drag in or out in order to crop it. And similarly you can do this to other side as well. And if you click on these three little dots, you will see further options, like if you want to decrease the audio, increase the audio, you can do that from here. So yeah, that's how you can add audio to your video in Canva. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.